Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of cosmetics. Topic for today is how to use cosmetics correctly. This is a fascinating topic, and we're excited to share some tips and tricks with you. How to use cosmetics properly. The condition of your skin largely depends on the proper use of cosmetics. In addition, if you want healthy and beautiful skin, you need to know which cosmetics to choose for your skin. In this video, you will find some tips to help you understand how to use cosmetics correctly for your skin. Only use cosmetics that are suitable for your skin type. If you have dry skin, avoid using products intended for oily skin. Use creams specially designed for the eye area, eyelids and neck. Other creams in the case of the eye area may be too heavy and cause puffiness under the eyes. Massage cleansing gels or milk into the skin for about 2 minutes. It is approximately how long it takes for the substances contained in these preparations to bind with skin impurities. If the gel or milk is left on your skin for less time, likely you have not cleansed your skin correctly. Gels help remove watery impurities, such as sweat. Lotions help remove more oily impurities, such as sebum. Two-phase liquids are suitable for washing your face, especially makeup. They contain an aqueous phase and an oily phase. Soak a cotton pad with the liquid and wipe until clean. Replace the cotton pads. Before applying cream, pat on a toner suitable for your skin type. It helps normalize the skin's pH, which may be disturbed by the use of a cleanser. Disturbed skin pH weakens the skin and can, therefore, increase its susceptibility to infections. Additionally, toner enhances the absorption of ingredients in creams and possesses additional skincare benefits. If you have acne-prone, combination, or oily skin, you can also gently wipe your face with a cotton pad or cosmetic pad soaked in toner. It will ensure that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. During the day, only use a day cream that is suitable for your skin type. It contains UV filters that protect your skin from harmful sun rays. Always remember to use creams with UV filters during the day. A minimum SPF 30, preferably SPF 50. UVA and UVB radiation account for 90% of skin aging. To protect your skin, use night creams at night. They contain more nutrients that support the nighttime regeneration of your skin. Apply the cream to several points on your face and neck. Then gently massage it in to spread it evenly over the entire surface of your face and neck. And finally, pat it in. Exfoliate once or twice a week. After exfoliating, use a cleansing mask. After the cleansing mask, you could apply a moisturizing, rejuvenating, or soothing mask, depending on your skin's needs. Exfoliation will remove dead skin cells, preparing the skin to absorb the mask's ingredients more effectively. Enzyme peels are suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive, porous, and dry skin. Fine-grained peels can be used on combination and oily skin provided you do not have breakouts. Following these tips will help you achieve better skincare results. Find out more at my Total Rejuvenation School coming soon. You will find 12 training courses that provide a comprehensive approach to rejuvenation. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content. Live beautifully and youthfully. Marta